again. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I just did a cool painting that I like that looks like nothing I've ever done before. And I want to do something else that's cool and similar. I'm going to use a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I want several things to not happen. I want the lightning that I saw in the sky and the big black cloud to not deliver rain or fry me. And I would appreciate it if the guys who are supposed to be here for mowing the lawn don't show up. That would be awesome. It doesn't take that long to do this. And I'm planning on doing it no matter what. So I want some more pearl in there. This time I might risk some yellow. Want something a little different than last time, but not so different. Yeah, let's do that. I wanted some red, I remember now, and I didn't have any. Yep, that's a big boomer. Okay, so how fast can I do this? I don't know. Let's find out before I get like toasted. Let's put a little bit more paint in here. Grab my canvas. Hope that most of my stuff is not in the way. And I am going to this time, instead of starting at the edge, I'm going to start somewhere else. And I sort of kind of tilted last time. Don't mind what kind of marks I get. I am going to use, oh, I'm so nervous. I am going to use my, wrong spatula, my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula number 1. And use up all my paint. I may even put a little more paint on. I'd like to not be here very long, to tell you the truth. Because I'm not sure how long I would be here if the lightning hit me. So, now, I have an edge catcher. I'm going to try and flip it back without flipping it into the artwork. I used only black last time. I am going to use my my OXO omelet turning spatula. I'm going to scrape off, I'm going to scrape off my edge catcher. Keep praying. Oh yeah. Alright, so I want a little something up there, and a little something down there. I'm going to see that thing that does not belong. And I'm willing to forego the edge catcher because to facilitate time, there's a spatula in my hand and it seems like a good idea to use it. And I've got all kinds of paint right here next to me that I can use on the edge of the canvas. And tomorrow might be the day that I tilt this. I believe that the white pearl is from Anita's. It's a white metallic actually. And I'm just going to keep tilting until I get something I like for a random abstract shape. And then I'm going to use the paint that I've got to the best of my ability. Maybe I'll help that little fingerprint. I am going to use my spatula again. I'm going to notice that my shovel is dragging a piece of something that does not belong. I'm going to give this a bit of a prod with my finger. Usually I would just be tilting, and I'm going to tilt the opposite direction from the direction I want the first time. Oh yeah, that's some loud thunder. I'm just going to be over here tilting this. Adding whatever I please because I'm planning on escaping this before it toasts me. The sky is fairly well black. So now I have all the rest of my paint in my dish. And I want to use it up. So that is what I will do. And I will continue to use my spatula to get it out of the shovel, and maybe even to push it over the side. I don't mind that there's a little black on there. I'm not even minding the fact that I might be making a little bit of a mess right now, or that I'm going to tilt that, all of that, and let it run sort of kind of where it wants to go. And I've got, what have I got? I've got more paint. I would prefer not to make muck. I'm going to use that paint on my edge where it's required, and my corner where I see I left a fingerprint, and whatever else I can get out of there, I will salvage. And I did threaten in the last one, even though I didn't think I had a lot of time, because I expected them to be here to mow the lawn, to do some interesting things by pulling paint, like that or this. Or not. I'm going to clean that off so I can use it. And I'm going to use it to pick up the paint off my tile, which works great as long as I keep them clean, and I do. I clean them every other time. I could use a little chain, and I think I might like that actually, but I'm not sure it needs it. I want to sort of give myself a moment that I don't feel I really have. I'm okay with that. I like it actually. Didn't seem to hurt using the metallic. I don't hear any more thunder right now, which is okay with me, I gotta say. I'm going to let all this run a little bit. I really thought the lawn mowing guys had arrived there. I arrived here a couple of minutes ago, and I was in a big hurry to get out of here. I'm going to torch and tell you guys, if you shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, under the video you'll find the micro powders, canvases, cameras, a tent, everything that I like and then some, to do paint pouring, or even resin, or Zen, what's it called? I can't remember, sorry. A friend of mine uses my Amazon page to send her people to. I kind of want to do some stuff. I am sort of counting on the fact that the canvas is already primed. I kind of wonder if I want to put some gold in there. And because I can, I may have to allow myself that pleasure. Because I Can is the name of my book on the Amazon link also. It's the first 100 videos that I filmed for YouTube, and the processes and the tools. The crows know something's coming. I know black paint and gold paint will sell. Hopefully I didn't ruin that. No, I think we're okay. I don't really want to do any more of that though. I am just going to tell you guys that I love you, and there's over 74,000 of you. Actually, there's over 75,000 of you now. I am quite certain. And yes, I gotta play. Girls gotta play. There will be more experiments in this vein, I can tell you now. I want to steal some black paint, put it down right there. So I'm pretty happy with that, to tell you the truth. It's been a good experiment, and I didn't get hit by lightning while trying to do it, and nobody's come to mow the lawn, and wow, I'm batting 1,000 here. Let's see what happens when we torch while we have a chance. Although I gotta say, I really want this. Oh, that's too long. Piece of chain. Yep, I'm gonna loop it. Just a little looping. Not a whole lot, just a little. Cool, very abstract and very cool. Yes? Oh gosh, that felt like a huge risk. I need more black paint on that chain. I think I know where to get it. So we got a little more texture, and I don't mind it. Wow, I thought I wasn't going to like that, and I do. I want to be a lot cautious right now, because anything that's on that white part of that canvas may be... I'm just going to color that in with my finger. I've got some more paint here. I'm going to use it while I still can, and the sky is still darkening, so it's time to do what I said I was going to do and get the heck out of here. There go my containers into the bucket. Do I like it? Yeah, I do. I have one more thing I want to do though. And that's it, because I really like that color. Yeah, she lied. As per usual. So I'm just going to use a skewer. At least I didn't torch yet, which would have been not so great, because then I would have had the surface skimmed up. Kind of like finding out what the magenta mix and the black do together. Alright, it is what it is. If I have to fill in the white with a paintbrush tomorrow, I will. If I don't, I won't. And torch, yes, torch. Ah. We still have sunlight. I say that, and then I want to finish off this little area of texture right here where the chain went in. Or if I had to fill, ooh, that's huge. Wow, come out, whatever you are. Seeing stuff I want to fix. That's going in the bucket. That way I won't mess with it anymore. I do want to fix that right now. Here comes the wind, which actually feels good, as long as I can get my stuff away before it all decides to wind up all over the yard. So we torch to release the bubbles in the paint, and we torch to release patterns in the paint, and I can't stand it. I just got to put some paint in there. There, I'm happier now. So give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It helps the YouTube algorithm know to place my videos someplace more people can find me. And the more people can find me, the more likely I am to keep coming back and giving you guys more videos. I know a few of you were addicted. Now you tell me so, which is kind of cute. I'm going to wipe that off before I do something stupid. I need a tip on that so it shows up for you guys, and for me. So I love you guys. I told you there were 75,000 of you or more. And watch the end screens for a contest and a place to subscribe, and you can visit my website from there if you want to. You can find pixels, pixels.com and find Art America. I'm really distracted by the idea of the storm getting me, or the lawnmower guys coming. Either way, I like that, and I'm good with it, and I love you guys, and I'm sure there's all kinds of stuff that you've heard a million times before. And if you want to get in the contest, look for PayPal or Patreon links, and if you contribute, I'll send you a receipt of that. And my crib sheet is over here, and that tells me I got 2 minutes left, and I used more time this time than last time, which is okay. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, my paint pouring recipe, and what else? They're all under the video under Show More, along with the Amazon link. You can find my book there, and everything else I was talking to you guys earlier about, and powders and spatulas and mica powders. Okay, so I'm distracted, and I'm gonna go now, and I'll do this better some other time. I love you guys so much. Take care. Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, out before the wind comes and takes everything away. Oh, and it feels good too, because it was so hot today. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.